All right, we have another package that just came into the office. This one's going to be I believe he said it was like a '09 Ducati 696. Well, anyway, the model really doesn't matter. Here's the key. He broke the tip off. The tip's inside the lock, so we're going to go ahead and take the tip out of it and generate him another key. So we'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're back. Here's the new key. His old key, I don't know what he's going to do with it. Maybe it'll work something on the bike, but here's the new key. You see the steering lock? That's how you know it's a complete key. If someone cuts you a key, it should work the steering wheel lock. If it doesn't go all the way to the park, they didn't cut the right key. And that's about it. You need our help, give us a call, or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.